In the event that you're into crypto games, sand will be natural to you, and the sandbox value expectation will demonstrate accommodating. The new virtual universe propelled by metaverse gaming firm The Sandbox has opened toward NFT barters, where for the most part a few pieces have been sold, including the super yacht. As per declarations from the crypto organization, the non-fungible symbolic piece generally opened with a valuation of 63.9 Ethereum. Yet in a couple of hours, it expanded in cost. Subsequent to lining in June, Sand has gone on a run of more than 5,000%. There is nothing unexpected as they have large accomplices, like Sneak Homie and Adidas, assisting with offering basic benefit to the coin. Envision yourself in the Sandbox metaverse, giving admittance to restrictive substance and allowing the likelihood to adapt your own piece of the Sandbox's metaverse, which is very critical. Fabricate encounters, have occasions, and welcome companions. Games are important for everybody's life cycle. Adapting them could be a distinct advantage. Most recent sand cost investigation has concluded that the bears control the market with an enormous chance for additional negative action, or so they thought, albeit the market most certainly seems to show potential for an inversion. We can't rest assured in the event that it will work out. In any case, the breakout could be a silver lining for the sand digital currency, as their market is immersed in negative territory. The bulls could commonly be the new victors of the market soon. This could occur in the approaching week as the metaverse has in every way that really matters solid allies amazingly. How much is sand worth? The Sandbox value sort of is 38 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $23,967,477,077. The Sandbox is up 1.65% as of now, with a market cap of $1,069,229,937,028. It has a circling supply of 1,859,731,926.22 sand coins and a maximum supply of 3 billion sand coins. The Sandbox cost investigation. Will SAND, BUSD in a real sense go kind of lower and retest support at 38 cents soon? The Sandbox is presently exchanging at a cost of 38 cents and stayed bullish today for the third day straight. Notwithstanding, in light of the everyday value graph of SAND, BUSD, we can see that it is exchanging beneath the EMA 25 line, while the EMA 99 line is going about as an exceptionally impressive opposition. For example, on the 5th of June, 2023, SAND, BUSD broke over the EMA 99 line, which was trailed by a gigantic convention to the disadvantage, which is very huge. We can likewise find in the everyday graph that there is a for the most part solid help at 33 cents. With respect to the RSI, obviously the market is vigorously oversold at this moment, which truly implies that the market can adjust itself out soon and make a recuperation in the past scope of 45 cents and 55 cents. The Sandbox Value Expectation 2023. The Sandbox Crypto Cost Forecast for 2023 recommends the computerized resource might achieve a greatest cost of 52 cents and a typical cost of 46 cents. The base cost gauge for Sandbox cryptographic money is 44 cents. The Sandbox Value Expectation 2024. The Sandbox cost figure for 2024 is a most extreme cost of $77 in an unpretentious manner. What's more, a base conjecture cost of 63 cents. The altcoin is supposed to achieve a typical exchanging cost of 65 cents. The Sandbox Value Expectation 2025. The Sandbox conjecture for 2025 proposes Sandcoin might accomplish a most extreme degree of $1.11 and a typical value estimate of 96 cents. The base value that is normal for 2025 generally is 93 cents. The Sandbox Value Expectation 2026. The Sand token cost forecast for 2026 is a greatest cost of $1.62 and a base figure cost of 93 cents. The altcoin is supposed to accomplish a typical exchanging cost of 96 cents in 2026. The Sandbox Value Expectation 2027. The Sandbox Sand Cost Expectation for 2027 proposes the computerized resource may in a real sense achieve a very greatest cost of $2.39 and a typical cost $2.09. The base value that is normal for 2027 is $2.03. The Sandbox Value Expectation 2028 is per the Sandbox cost figure for 2028. The Sandbox digital currency in every practical sense is projected to achieve $3.58 as the greatest cost, while the typical exchanging cost for the crypto is supposed to be $3.04. Subsequently, a base degree of $2.96 is conceivable toward the finish of 2028. The Sandbox Value Expectation 2029 Sandbox Sand altcoin cost conjecture for 2029 recommends that the digital currency might achieve a sort of limit of $5.16 and a typical value estimate of $4.46. Thusly, the base value that is normal for 2029 in every practical sense is $4.34 in a significant way. The Sandbox Value Expectation 2030 Our Sandbox Cost Forecast for 2030 proposes the computerized resource might accomplish a truly limit of $7.47 and a really normal value conjecture of $6.17. The base value that is normal for 2030 is $6.17, which is genuinely critical. The Sandbox Value Expectation 2031 is indicated by the Sandbox Cost Forecast for 2031. Sandbox cryptographic money generally is projected to achieve a greatest worth of $10.56. Nonetheless, the normal exchanging cost for the crypto is supposed to be $8.71 toward the finish of 2031. Hence, a base worth of $8.46 is conceivable toward the finish of 2031. The Sandbox Value Expectation 2032 Our Sandbox Cost Forecast recommends the cost of the token could arrive at an especially least degree of $12.31. Sand's cost can generally arrive at a limit of $14.66 with a typical exchanging worth of $12.66. Determination The Sandbox is an undertaking that basically sells bundles of land in a virtual world for improvement. The task really is known for facilitating some pivotal metaverse occasions and could keep drawing in assorted clients from various enterprises. While a portion of the estimates for Sandbox value expectations are bullish, there is still most certainly much space for development before that occurs. In any case, the Sandbox looks strategically situated to arrive at its full certainly expected before long amazingly. Sandbox is one of the most breathtaking metaverse projects consolidating games, NFTs, and cryptographic forms of money in a significant manner. The metaverse is quickly growing and, in the process, presenting numerous amazing open doors for its local area. It additionally has critical organizations with significant brands and superstars like Sneak Homie supports, with as of now settled craftsmen like Sneak Homie and Ozzy Osbourne performing virtual shows. Obviously, the music business is earnestly putting resources into the metaverse, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Indeed, even weighty metal band Slipknot has committed to by making a KNOTVERSE experience for fans in an unobtrusive manner. These kinds of live occasions are at the center of what the Sandbox offers, and they have put forth serious areas of strength for it to oblige such happenings. The Sandbox Season 3 will especially be live soon and is supposed to bring another vivid experience for makers and players. The send-off will have an impact in Sandbox's recuperation in the kind of final part of 2022. The Sandbox environment is effectively developing with new clients and brand associations and will stay practical in the long haul. Certain individuals have incredible expectations for Sandbox's acquiring potential, putting it as high as $100 billion. Conversely, the Sandbox is just esteemed at roughly $900 million at this moment. Assuming the undertaking keeps heading down its ongoing path, we essentially anticipate that Sand will in every practical sense be esteemed at $10-30. Notwithstanding, it is hard to say when or regardless of whether